Hey, so today I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on what's going on with the labs. I mentioned before in a previous video that I was basically going to remake some of the labs and start making a community and expand the current labs that I was doing. And I want to give you a bit of an update on what's been going on. And by the time you're watching this video, this won't be on this staging domain anymore. It should be on my main labs domain, which you'll find in the description. And when you click on it, you'll see that you can sign in with Discord. So now I'm going to be doing a login with Discord for like when you want to access the labs, just because the infrastructure is a bit different. And I also don't want those annoying bots going on my labs constantly, which is really pissing me off last time. So I'm going to add that in. And yeah, when you have a Discord account, you can log in and you'll be greeted with a screen like this. The first thing you'll see is like the demo labs. So the demo labs is basically all of the labs that used to be on my old domain, so all my free labs, are going to be here now. So I've ported them over and I've moved them over to this new website, and we can just click here. So there's going to be like a default, description or whatever that I added in. You can just select it, and when you press start, now this is going to take like 20-30 seconds to warm up, but it's going to take us to a Google Cloud Run domain. So Google Cloud Run basically is like an app for running like these like sandboxes or whatever, and we're going to run Google Cloud Run on it. So basically these labs are going to be on a separate sandbox now. So before, when I was hosting the lab, it was on my own server, and it was kind of difficult to do like certain vulnerabilities on them. Like I couldn't really do like SSRF or like RCs because I don't really want you guys on my VPS, and that's why it was kind of difficult to do it. But now that the labs are actually properly sandboxed, like as you can see, we're in like a sandbox lab. Maybe I'll pick like a more interactive lab to show you. We'll do this S3 key one. It should be faster because it's warming up. Well, because I can do these interactive labs now, I don't have to worry about anything is happening on my VPS, and I can like freely host these labs whenever I want to. So that's going to be really nice, and I'm going to be able to expand, especially the free labs, expand them significantly toward a lot more things. So you can see around this run domain here, and I don't really remember what this was, but I assume you can like get my avatar or something, everything will work, and all the APIs or whatever are going to be on this domain, and this is going to be filtered per user basically. So that's much better than the thing I was doing before, which was just everyone on the same bucket. And you can even see like the WebSocket and stuff like this. So I think this is going to be a lot better for us, and I'm going to be able to expand the lab significantly. And if you're not in my community, you'll see these demo labs. But if you are in my community, then you'll also see the new server-side labs here, the new server-side attacks labs. They work very similar to the free labs, except in a lot of cases, I'm able to add even more features to them. So these LLM features, for example, use like an orchestrator on the back end. I'm able to build a lot more infrastructure for that, and I can do a lot more complex vulnerabilities. So that's the main purpose of the community labs, is just to do even more infrastructure, basically, to pile on top of it to make it even more realistic for you. Speaking of the community, I have actually now launched the community now. So you can see here, these are like my community and courses. It's a subscription, so you pay $20 a month to basically join my community, and you get access to, as I mentioned before, the labs. I'll be releasing a new lab basically soon, which you'll see here as well, and you'll gain instant access to it, and you'll be able to chat in the community and stuff. You'll be able to get advice from me, and at some point we'll be doing like events and stuff together. So I think this is going to be very cool and gets you access. You don't have to download anything, so all my labs are, as you can see, like you just come in here, you click a button, and that's it. So that gives me a great opportunity to build out the labs, and now that I have the infrastructure, it's going to be a lot faster. So yeah, $20 a month, and you can go join that. And yeah, I'm very excited for what's going to come next, and I'm excited to scale the labs even more so I can provide even more kind of help for you guys. I'm doing some very cool research at the moment on a particular area that I find very interesting, and a target that I won't talk about yet, but that I will talk about in the future when I write my blog post about it. Yeah, basically, it's very fun, very fun at the moment, very fun time in Bug Bounty. And me doing the research, I'm expanding my AI stuff as well. So it's going to be honestly super cool. And next week, I'm going to post a very cool video talking about some of the research that I've done. And yeah, that's it for me. Check out the labs, and thanks for watching.